Hi, it's Angie Ward. Man, this summer on record to be one of the hottest we've had in a long time. And that's where my friends at Estes Services are here to help make sure that your AC unit is good to go. Now, we might be at a point where you need to replace your units. I've been using Estes Services for almost 10 years now, and they have taken care of my old units, replaced them with brand new ones. They're working like a charm. They'll do the same thing for you. Here's some signs you need to look for. Obviously, the age of your units. Are you having to get them repaired all the time? And are you noticing a high energy bill? But on top of that, here's a few other things I didn't know until the guys at SD Services told me about it. Look for water leakage around your units or dust around your units. And are you noticing an odor that's kind of like a moldy smell? These are also telltale signs that you may need to replace your AC unit. My friends at SD Services are the folks to do that for you this summer. Make sure you check them out right now, estessair.com. That's ESTES air.com.